Hey, good Thursday morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. We're going to update you on the weather quickly for today because it's pretty nice and not much going on. And then we're going to look at the weekend, Friday night into Saturday. There's actually a snowstorm heading south of Michigan. So if you're traveling south, I know this is a spring break week for a lot of people coming up. A lot of times you get the kids out of school on a Friday and you head south. And so there's some timing there that you want to know about as far as going through Indiana or Ohio or Illinois if you're heading to the south. And we'll look at some warmer temperatures too. Hey, good morning, Alice Davison from Houston and my buddy, fellow MLiver, Kyle Matson. Okay, here's the high temperatures today. We're going to have sunshine. We're going to have winds that are lightening up. They're still from the cold direction, north-northwest, but they're lightening up, and you can, at this time of the year, you can pretty much tell what the wind direction is from the temperature map. A northwest wind, cold air into the thumb, high temperatures in the mid-30s. Northwest wind, cold air into northwest lower, Traverse City and Cadillac, and Charlevoix and Petoskey and Gaylord in the lower 30s. Cold air from the north off of Lake Superior. And cold there. And then you get away from the water, and it's a little warmer. 42-ish is a pretty common number for Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, Lansing, Ann Arbor, Detroit, and Flint. So it is a little bit warmer today, probably by 5 degrees or so. All right, so let's look at the computer models and see what's going to happen here. This is today, no weather around. This is into Friday afternoon, no weather around. This is Friday evening, 8 o'clock, no problems still traveling. Friday, middle of the night. Good morning, Wanda from Beaverton and Onondaga here too, and Alpena. Good morning. Hey, and good morning, Kathy Newsham, and happy birthday, somebody says. Okay, this is Saturday morning at 8 o'clock. So if you have a Saturday drive, you're going to hit, it's in Indiana, that's at 2 p.m. And then it continues southward Saturday evening. So Saturday, if you're heading through Ohio or Indiana, you're going to have some problems, and the storm will be missing us. And what I just want to show you is that there's still this high pressure center up here and still an easterly wind by Sunday. And it's dry. Bear with me here. But then by Monday, finally, for the first time in quite a while, the winds go southerly and it will start to warm up. All right, as far as snowfall totals with this storm system, there it is. It's a, we'll call it a 6 to 10 inch snow. Let me fan it out just a little bit for you here. Bear with me. Is it Friday yet? Okay, there it is. You know, so it's not a big band of heavy snow, but again, Friday night, Saturday morning in Indiana, and then Saturday night through Ohio. And, you know, sometimes people drive to Florida through this West Virginia route, which is real pretty. It's a little longer track, but that would be kind of a nightmare too. Good morning, Steve Jakubiak. I'll give it a shot. So there's your warning on that. And I'll leave you just with one last thing here, is the temperature anomalies. That is the deviation from normal temperature. And let's go into next week. Yay, finally by Monday, we have something that's a few degrees warmer than normal, and that takes us into the 50s. How is the solar storm affecting us? I don't know. I got to check on that. I apologize. That's something I can't get to real fast here. So there you have it. Sunshine today, lessening winds of the cold variety, depending on where you're exactly located in Michigan. But plan on southern Michigan, plan on temperatures in the low 40s for high temperatures. If you're near the water, it's still cold. Plan on a pretty nice sunny Friday, maybe a little high cloudiness Saturday as that storm passes by, and then back to sunshine. And the next precipitation is rain, almost a spring rain. A rain on Tuesday with temperatures in the 50s. That might wake the grass up a little bit. And believe it or not, give us a touch of green on our grass. Start to bring it out of hibernation. Jeannie says yay to that. Summer will be hot or normal. I think it'll be warmer than normal. I think it'll be about 4 to 6 degrees warmer than normal. So that means 2 degrees warmer than normal. You don't really detect that it's warmer than normal. 4 degrees, you'd call it, it's been a very warm summer. 6 degrees is on the edge of what we'd probably call in mass a hot summer. 8 degrees is a hot summer. 10 degrees would be a record summer. So 4 to 6 would be on the very warm to on the verge of a hot type summer. All right? So there it is. I'm going to sign off for now. You have yourselves a great Thursday. Good traveling weather. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Have yourselves a great Thursday.